ọbụ na nke ị na-eme n'agbanyere ọkọ ọ dị ọ bụ ego ka ị na-achọ. Money is good though, money is good though, Laughing gas. Money is good though, money is good though. If I go like in a man, now when you're recording, I'll be going to all I go like in a low, now when you're recording, I'll be going to when your mama went to go, or roll of them man. Uba na dị mma, lụọ nwaanyị dị mma, ụmụnna abịa. Oyi mụ kedu ife anyị ga-eme? Ego na-amaka. Laughing gas, laughing gas, laughing gas. Oyi mụ kedu ife anyị ga-eme? Ego na-amaka. If I get married without money, on the package I'm working on now.
Benny.
Yeah.
Achiamu dabreba. Achiamu dabreba.
Oh, you book a different man. Ego na maka. Ezigbo. Ezigbo. Ikraka. Oyi mu kedu ife anyị ga-eme? Ego na maka. Ladies and gentlemen, ICE. This band you see here, we've traveled all over this country promoting this Highlife music. If you're happy with the sound you're hearing tonight, please give us a round of applause. Not only Wilson, but the band. Because I cannot be who I am doing this, promoting the music without the band. Ladies and gentlemen, I want to introduce to you my keyboardist. Ono mana MC Virgin Mouth. Ono mana na chop that talent every day. I don't know if I know about talent hunt. ICE. Today, I am fine to go out. Now, MC Virgin Mouth is a keyboardist. So he will be traveling all over the country with us.
Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, a round of applause for MC Virgin Mouth. All right. IK is my main keyboardist.
I'm happy here, Pepe.
I'm happy here, Pepe.
I'm happy.
You got to go.
I'm happy.
Oh, you're not happy here, Pepe.
Pim.
Akayahu machine.
Magic finger.
Magic finger.
Magic fingers.
Imande madu na po pianist. Nkiyahu opist. You got to go.
I'm happy everything.
I can go and you look small. Yeah, you look small. Oh, yeah, Bakuruma. Ice! Ladies and gentlemen, hi. All the way from Ghana, my brother Emmanuel on the drums. A round of applause for Emmanuel, please. All the way from Ghana. Prosper, mama.
Prosper.
Prosper, mama. Prosper. Prosper, mama.
Prosper.
Egu bakalaka ice. Ladies and gentlemen, Prosper is our drummer. All the way from LKB Sakwabia State, Imo State. Imo State. Ona FIFA nako. Agwa me anegu bakalaka ya. Mana ometu obi. Okay, let go with music. Egu bakalaka Prosper wa mama Egu bakalaka Ladies and gentlemen, a round of applause for him. Ungwa ono ga hiyo na eme now. Nsi agosia ihe oji bụrụ nwoke. Ọ ga-emekwa ife. Ngwa, guy, nya ya olu. Oya takasiwa. Ngwa takasiwa. Wayo, thank you. Baby. Now listen, ice. Yeah. I want to take them to Owerri now. We are going back to Owerri, Imo State. You got to go? All right now. Let's do this. Anne wonne mama baya onye di mara he ka nne menyela mu Anne wonne mama baya onye di mara he ka nne menyela mu Anne wonne mama baya onye di mara he ka nne menyela mu Anne wonne mama baya onye di mara he ka nne menyela mu Bia Bolaji ohune yewanyo Say yoro Otogu dabriba Say yoro Yeah, Alison, ice. Omunne ji gemani hemeleme, omena liwe. Otu wakiri wanyo mama na mahomuru woman no. Awa akiri wakozo manye mana mahomuru wofunwa. Ebuza tu wonye gani nyano ne bombo yo galayo. Hello. Nwane, iwo onye Owerri. Chai.